Assalamu alaikum students. Our today topic is molecule from basic concept first chapter first year chemistry. Molecule is the smallest particles of a pure substance which can exist independently. In previous lecture we can see that atom is the smallest particles of an element, but it may or may not exist independently, but for molecule it exists independently. Then types of molecule according to the number of atoms. Monoatomic molecules having only one atoms like helium, neon, xenon, etc. All the noble gases exist in our monoatomic molecules type because they only consist in single atom and in molecular form. Diatomic molecules, these molecules having two atoms like chlorine, oxygen and so on. Triatomic molecules having three atoms like water, SO2 and so on. There are also many other types of molecules according to their number of atoms in which molecule have more than 3 atoms. Ions, these are those species which carry either negative or positive charge. Types of ions, there are two types of ions. One is anions and other is cations. Anions carry negative charge and formed by gaining of one or more electrons. Cations carry positive charge and formed by losing of one or more electrons. There is another difference between anion and cation according to the energy. Energy is released when an electron is added to an isolated neutral atom. So, anion formation is an exothermal process. On the other side, energy is absorbed by an isolated atom during the removal of electron. So, we can say that cation formation is an exothermic process. For example, when chlorine is gained one electron, chloride ion is formed. That is an anion. Similarly, when sodium loses one electron, sodium cation is formed. Anionic product gain this size. Why is it so? Because when electron is added to the atoms, the size of atoms may be increased, but at the same time, cationic product lose the size because when electron is removed from neutral atoms, they may lose their size. There are also many other anions that have more than one atom and exist in group forms like CO3 minus 2, sulfate anions, phosphate anions, MnO4 minus 1 anion. And cation are also exist in group form but very less. It is not in common. So the common example in which cation exists as group form is NH4 plus. Basically all the non-metals form anions and all the metals in periodic table form cations. Another type of ions is molecular ions. Like atomic ions, molecular ions are also exist that is formed by losing or gaining of electrons by molecules. Like here is an example, CH4 gain one electron. As a result, CH4 cations molecule is formed. Basically, these ions can be generated by passing high energy electron beam as alpha particle or X-rays through a gas. Students, here our topic about molecules and molecular ions has been concluded.